Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to iPhone 16 Pro Max display setting can help to save battery. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on display and brightness. After clicking on display and brightness, you can see the option light mode and dark mode. Now put your phone in dark mode because it can help to save your battery life. After turning on dark mode, scroll down and adjust your brightness to save your battery life. And you can also adjust your brightness to your control center. Swipe down to your control center and you can adjust your brightness from here. And after adjusting your brightness, turn off this true tone button. Automatically adapt iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environment. Then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, then turn off auto brightness. Then simply click on accessibility and now click on display and text size, and now scroll down and here you can see the option auto brightness. If you turn this button on, auto brightness button on, then turn it off. After turning off auto brightness button, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.